This could be the difference between the 75 and 95 in maths. Save this video and let's start with 100 questions every topper solves. Question number 71. The area of a right angle triangle is 165 square meters. Determine its base and altitude if the latter exceeds the former by 7 meters. Let's start. So let's assume that the base is x, so the altitude will be 7 more. So it will be x plus 7, right? Now area of the triangle is 1 by 2 base into height. So area of the triangle is given to you 165, that is equal to 1 by 2 into x plus 7. So transfer to the left hand side, 165 into 2 is 330, that's equal to x into x plus 7. So if you open the bracket, you will get x square plus 7x minus 330 equal to 0. Again we will split the middle term, so x square plus 22x minus 15x minus 330 equal to 0. From first two term we can take x common, from last two term we can take minus 15 common, and then we can take x plus 22 common throughout. That will give you two factors, x plus 22 and x minus 15. If you equate x plus 22 equal to 0, you will get x equal to minus 22, and since x is a length and length can't be a negative number, so we can reject this value. Second, x minus 15 equal to 0 will give you x equal to 15. That's a positive number, so we can accept it. Okay? So we got base is 15 meter and altitude is 7 more. So 15 plus 7, it will be 22 meters.